Okay, so I have this piece of rusted edging. I took it out from the side here. It was here in the front, and just like at the back. Now I was going to use it around this plant here, but it already got rocks around it, and the rocks are nice and settled in, and this one just jutting out. So I thought I'll make something, my art. Might use it up for something, and I was gonna put it here. Yes, it's a good spot. I can't find. I've got those little metal clips that can hold things in the ground, like we used it for the weed net, but I don't know where that is now. We pulled all those out and threw it somewhere. So I'm gonna try and bury this piece of metal here. So, ow, that tip got me. I'm gonna bury it in the rock, so that should hold it in place. And then I'm gonna do some mass planting there. Let me start, or let me set it first, then I'll show you. Yeah, this is a good spot. The sun is on me. I was hoping, ow, it would go away, but right. Let me do this before more people start walking about here. Right. Yeah, I'll try and bury this in, and then I'm gonna fill sand in, so I'm not digging. You know what a good artist I am? Not. Oh, it's already crooked. Yeah, that's all right. I don't let perfect get in the way of getting things done. Nothing's perfect with me, as long as it just it just needs to be good enough. There's so much of rock here. Goodness. Stay in place. Dig this up a bit. I need to get the ends in properly so it doesn't move. Maybe I should stack. I don't know. Let me see. I'm sorry about the noise. This rock. And this piece of metal. I wanted this metal to show a bit. The rusty part is on the bottom now. Oh, I don't know. I'll just leave it. Let's see how it will rust in time. skewed. That's all right. All right. Yeah, I'm not digging, so I'm just gonna fill in some soil, and I'm going to plant it in. Let's see. It looks okay. Move it here. Let me see if I can move it in a bit. Yeah, I wonder if I'll have enough plants now. It looks like a very big area. I have to take plants from elsewhere. Let's fill the soil. There's the soil. Okay. Let me show you. Now, let me be yes, surprise. I won't show you yet. I'll start planting and then I'll show you the end result. I wanted to mass plant it with my platyphila, but that's so much to plant. And then I thought I'll put these big rosettes, but then that might not have the same effect. So I am going to be mass planting, but I'm doing it with my sedum, because also those I was going to use a Douglas foot. It will be lost here because of the color of the stones, and that's sort of pink. You won't be able to notice it. So it needs something really bright to notice what this is. Right, gloves off. Let's get busy. Okay, so this is what it looks like, so you can guess what I'm making. Yeah, so I'm tired. um Maybe I should pull that center part a bit, but I'm going to put those pink Douglas hoot in the center to fill up that space, and let's see what it looks like. All right, I got a few. Excuse all the dogs barking in the neighborhood. All right, let's it's got roots. Let me see if I can fit them. Yeah, I don't know, they need the roots, but these are not enough. There's only 4 here. I need to go cut more from the backyard. Yeah, I'll be back. Now, there they are, but they are not colored up, as you can see. Need to, that's fine. If once they're out in the sun, they'll get more light. Just snip this off. Oh, nearly full. Let's take these for now. One more, maybe one more. It's a big one here. Right, that whole bunch. Okay, I brought all those succulents that I cut from the back. You can see they look so terrible. The color is, there's hardly any color. So I might need to mix it in with this, with the ones that have color from the front, so they don't look. Oh, I might need to cut this as well. It's too tall. Right, I'm done. And there we go. It might turn out okay if the sedum fills in properly and be a nice lime yellow green, and these pink Douglas hoot would look so pretty in between. I hope it catches on properly, so I'll have to check on it in a few days, but there's a little heart for Valentine's. So happy Valentine's Day, everybody. This is a little heart for everyone to show my appreciation. Oh, I can't wait for it to color up. Cheers. Thanks for watching.